Good morning. Today is a beautiful late summer day in September, and I'm sitting here in my yard making a video. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Franky Descoteaux, and I'm the new director of the Merrimack Valley Small Business Center. The Merrimack Valley Small Business Center is a service center in Downtown Lowell that is focused on serving the needs of entrepreneurs at all stages, from ideation through exit and everything in between, to support them to enable them to make the right decisions at the right time to ensure success in their business. I am a former business owner myself, having started several businesses in college and then most recently opened and run several businesses in Downtown Lowell. I appreciate and honor those who want to make an impact either on their own life through creating financial stability and financial opportunity for themselves and their family, or those who want to serve the community through business. And it's a great pleasure for me to be able to work in Lowell again, having left for a few years to pursue some career opportunities, to be able to work in Lowell again and to serve the needs of those who are really taking an amazing, kind of scary, risky, potentially step into their own future to do something that they love, or to serve their own financial well-being, or to serve the community. And so thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I would love to see you at the Merrimack Valley Small Business Center. I will put my phone number and email address on this video, but please, if you are in any stage of business and would like guidance, just simply guidance, someone to reflect back what you're thinking through the ideation process, we can do that. If you are ready to launch your business and you just need to better understand the protocols of what that is, we can help you with that as well. If your business is kind of chugging along like many of ours are, and you really need to invest more energy into growing that business so it has greater financial value to you and your family, or greater impact, we can support that as well. And perhaps you are ready to exit your business and you're ready to sell it, or you're ready to close it for whatever reason, and you would like some guidance on making that happen in a way that suits your values, then we can support that as well. Or if you just want to come and say hi and get to know us, whatever it is, we'd love to chat with you. Additionally, we do have SBA microloan opportunities. So we are an SBA, so Small Business Administration micro lender, and that means that we can provide loans up to $50,000 to those who are operating or want to open a small business. It's a great program in that it really supports all entrepreneurs at all stages, and specifically those who might have struggled with some financial issues in the past, or have no credit potentially, or are launching a business and are struggling to get a bank loan. So that's the SBA microloan. Please check out our website and Eventbrite. You can search on Merrimack Valley Small Business Center to get a lot of information about that, where to find us online. And we do hope to see you again. My name is Franky Descoteaux, and I'm the new director. Our address is 165 Merrimack Street. And say hi to me if you see me on the street, ask me questions, or stop by my office. All right, thanks, and have a great day.